promised you my time, and I'm giving it to you, babe. So why you being accused?
Hey friends, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. If you're new here, my name is Trina. On this channel, I do DIY, home decor, lifestyle, shopping. If you like that type of content, subscribe to the channel. I would love to have you here. So in today's video, this will be part 1 of my backyard refresh. I'm going to go to Lowe's and Home Depot because I want to pick up some new plants and flowers. And I want to clean the deck and the patio chairs because I'm going to paint the patio chairs black. So let's see how far I get today.
Thought that I'd be healing now. I didn't think I'd have to feel this now. I thought I would've moved on, but somehow the feeling's still strong. Like I'll be on my way out, thinking that I'm good, right? Suddenly you pass by, now you're stuck on my mind, thinking I was done now. But I guess I'll never be tired of you.
Hey y'all, so I'm back home. I went to Lowe's. I picked up a few plants. I want to show y'all what I got. I purchased a purple petunia, a hosta, and a Boston fern. I need to get some more plants. I'm going to go to Home Depot later, but first I'm going to clean the deck.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes. Baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all love. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like I'm feeling like your man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up, fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all love. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good, good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love.
Now I'm going to clean the patio chairs and the furniture. I let the chairs dry for about an hour before I started to spray paint them.
meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just so deep and live my life. Don't take it personal. We just building.
Alright, y'all, that's it for today's video. Thanks for stopping by. Come back for part 2. Like, comment, and subscribe for more from me. Bye, y'all.
Lose away.